Welcome to my channel Mathematical Clinic of Subash. We are in the third lecture of conic section. In the last lecture we had defined parabola, defined the terminologies of parabola, and even established a very special equation of the parabola, standard form y square equal to 4ax. Today we are going to discuss some more equations of the parabola. First of all, let us begin with the figure we discussed last day. That figure was that parabola was this type of parabola whose vertex was at origin. This one was origin, whose focus was at S a, 0, whose equation of directrix was, what was the equation of directrix? X plus a equal to 0, whose ends of the latusrectum where L x coordinate is called this much distance is a small a and vertical length becomes how much? 2a, and downward x coordinate is same, L dash x coordinate is a again, and vertical length becomes, because it is on negative y axis, minus 2a. Length of latusrectum was 4a, and the equation of this parabola one was y square equal to how much? 4ax. So we are able to say that for the parabola, that I am going to summarize here, for the parabola y square equal to 4ax, I am going to write the every terminologies. First of all, going to start from the vertex one. This one is the vertex. What is vertex? Vertex is origin 0, 0. What is axis? This line one is the axis. Axis is x-axis, even positive x-axis. What is focus? Focus is at a, 0. The coordinate of focus is a, 0. What is the equation of directrix? Equation of directrix B was the equation x plus a equal to 0. X plus a equal to 0. What is the length of latusrectum? Length of latusrectum is how much? 4a. And what are the ends of latusrectum? Ends of latusrectum B. First point is L a, 2a, and downward it's L dash how much? A, minus 2a. That you have to remember. For the parabola y square equal to 4x, was the vertex is at origin. Was the axis? Positive x-axis. What is the focus? A, 0. What is the equation of directrix? X plus a equal to 0. Length of latusrectum, it is 4a. And ends of latusrectum, a, 2a and a, minus 2a. That you have to remember. You must remember. If you know the figure, you can calculate these results yourself. Move to second one. I am going to draw another parabola. Another in the sense that here I am going to take axis, the negative x-axis one. This one is the axis of the parabola. When it was opened, right, the axis was positive x-axis. Here axis is negative x-axis. This one is again origin. This one is the focus S, and cause it is in negative x-axis, the coordinate of focus becomes, this one becomes a minus a, and cause on x-axis y coordinate is 0. Focus is minus a, 0. Its equation of directrix becomes, cause this much distance is a, this distance will be also a, and cause it is on positive x-axis, so the equation of line parallel to y-axis becomes how much? X equal to a, or x minus a equal to 0. Again, you can consider here vertex is at origin, axis is negative x-axis, focus is at minus a, 0, Equation of directrix becomes x minus a equal to 0. Length of latus rectum is again 4a. Ends of latus rectum. This point becomes how much? X coordinate is negative minus a. Y coordinate, this vertical length becomes 2b, even upward and even downwards. So 2a, and this point becomes L dash minus a comma minus 2a because it is downwards. So we conclude that, and equation of this parabola is because it is horizontal parabola upon left, its equation becomes, you can derive the equation by the process we did in the last lecture one. X squared equal to minus 4ax, sorry, y squared equal to minus 4ax. I'm going to summarize here. For the parabola y square equal to minus 4ax, what is, first of all I start with vertex. What is vertex? Vertex is at origin 0, 0. What is focus? Focus is at where? Minus a comma 0. What is the equation of directrix? It is x minus a equal to 0. Equation of directrix be how much? X minus a equal to 0. What is the length of latus rectum? It is again 4a. Length of latus rectum equal to how much? 4a. What are the ends of latus rectum? Ends of latus rectum be first minus a comma 2a and second minus a comma minus 2a, minus a comma minus 2. What is the axis? Axis is negative x-axis. Simply you can say x-axis. Move to third type of parabola 1. Let us move to third type of parabola 1. Third standard equation of parabola. It is, is a standard equation in the sense that it is the vertical parabola. We are going to draw vertical parabola open upwards. This one is the vertical parabola open upwards, and I am going to take its vertex again at origin. Its vertex is at origin, and axis, the y-axis, positive y-axis. This one is y-axis, positive y-axis. Its axis is positive y-axis. So its focus becomes somehow here. Focus S. Suppose this length is a small b, focal length is a small b. So the coordinate of this point becomes, because it is on y-axis, x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is how much? Plus b. Coordinate of focus becomes 0 comma b. Because this distance is a small b, if you draw the directrix here, this distance also becomes how much? A small b, and because it is on negative y-axis, while writing the equation of the directrix, it is parallel to the x-axis, and any line parallel to x-axis is how much? Y equal to b. So it becomes y equal to minus b, or y plus b equal to 0. Y plus b equal to 0. Getting it? So vertex is at origin, focus is at 0 comma b. Equation of directrix is y plus b equal to 0. Its length of the latus rectum becomes, this much becomes length of latus rectum equal to 4b. Ends of the latus rectum becomes, this point will be L, this will be L dash. First of all, let us write the coordinate of L. Y coordinate is this vertical length 1b. If you substitute, the equation of this parabola is x square equal to 4by. If you substitute y equal to b here, then it will be 4b square. X square equal to 4b square. That is why x equal to how much? Plus minus 2b. So x coordinate here will be plus 2b, and this side becomes minus 2b, comma y coordinate will be fixed. So the end of the latus rectum becomes how much? 2b comma b and minus 2b comma b. So for this parabola 1, for parabola y square equal to how much? Sorry, x square equal to 4by. For this parabola 1, where is vertex? Again, vertex is at origin 0, 0. Where is focus? Focus is at where? 0, b. What is the equation of directrix? Equation of directrix b, y plus b equal to 0. What are the ends of latusrectum? Ends of latusrectum b, first point one is L2b comma b, and second one is minus 2b comma b. What is the length of the latusrectum? This one is 4b. Length of latusrectum is how much? 4b units, and its axis is positive y-axis. Now let us move to fourth type of parabola. It is again a vertical parabola, but open downwards. This type of parabola, its vertex is again at origin, but its axis is negative y-axis. Negative y-axis. So coordinate of the focus becomes, if you suppose this much distance to be a small b, then because it is on negative y-axis, coordinate of s becomes how much? 0, minus b. So if this length is b, then of what also? Of two directrix, length will be how much? B. This length will be also b, and this line is parallel to x axis 1. So its equation becomes how much? X equal to y equal to b, y equal to b, or y minus b equal to y minus b equal to 0. Its length of latusrectum becomes again 4b. Ends of the latusrectum becomes, this point becomes how much? This point becomes, vertical length is fixed, this one is minus b. So y coordinate is minus b, and x coordinate will be how much? Here on this side 2b, and on this side minus 2b. Y coordinate is minus b fixed. So ends of the latusrectum becomes minus 2b comma minus b, and even 2b comma minus b. That I'm going to write here, summarize here. And the equation of this parabola is x square equal to minus 4by. That I'm going to write here for the parabola. X square equal to minus 4by. Where is the vertex? Vertex is at origin. What is focus? Focus is at, where is the focus? It is at 0, minus b. This one is the focus. What is the equation of directrix? Equation of directrix be how much? Y minus b equal to 0. What is the length of the latusrectum? Length of the latusrectum be 4b units. And what are the ends of the latusrectum? Ends of the latusrectum be, it is, this point is 2b comma minus b, and this point is where? Minus 2b comma minus b.